Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 28, last chapter of the civics portion, urban so local self government. Urban local self government. In urban India, there exists another form of local self government which can be compared to पंचायती राज system in the rural areas. अब रूरल एरियाज में आपने पंचायती राज सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ा, अब इसमें जो है हम अर्बन लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट में क्या है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द 74th amendment of Indian Constitution, there were three types of urban local self governing bodies. They are municipal corporation or nagar nigam, municipal council or nagar palika, and the city council or nagar panchayat. अब इसमें नगर पंचायत है, नगर पालिका है एंड म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है। अब हम जो है इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। The municipal corporations are the local self-governing bodies that are present in cities with population above 1 million. यानी कि 1 million से ज्यादा जहाँ पॉपुलेशन होती है, 1 million से ज्यादा जहाँ पॉपुलेशन होगी, more than 1 million, तो उससे वहाँ पर जो है क्या है, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है। In India, the metropolitan cities, namely Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai have municipal corporations. आपने देखा होगा कि हम जो है उत्तर प्रदेश में जो है सहारनपुर में रहते हैं, तो सहारनपुर में भी जो है क्या है, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन बन गई है। As many challenges have arose with the growth of the population and the subsequent urbanization, there is also need for an effective governing body which can actively look after the development of towns and cities. अब now is a composition. म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का संरचना कैसे होती है, कंपोजिशन। इन द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन देयर आर इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स called councillors. Election to these posts are held every 5 years. अब हर 5 साल बाद इलेक्शन होते हैं। Every registered voter is allowed to vote to the choose his or her representatives. For the purpose of the election, the city is divided into number of units called ward. A councillor is elected from each of these wards. The head of the municipal corporation is called mayor. He presides over the meeting of corporation. Under the mayor is the deputy mayor, or both of them are elected by the elected members of the corporation from among themselves. The decisions taken by the committee are implemented by the chief executive officer, which is municipal commissioner, along with the team of councillors. Now its function. It is the duty of municipal corporation to perform the following functions. First, to provide safe drinking water, to establish hospital, dispensaries and health care center, and make arrangements for the vaccination and inoculation. Third, to control and eradication diseases, to maintain records of birth and death, to establish, maintain primary and secondary schools, to construct and maintain water supply, to provide adequate sanitation facilities, to arrange street lighting, to clear and dispose garbage, to provide transport facilities, to set up gardens, parks, libraries, museums, etc. These are the functions of the municipal corporation. Sources of income. अब sources कहाँ से आते हैं, पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? Property tax, which include taxes on the house and land, tax on water, taxes levied on vehicles, toll tax on bridges and roads, professions and business tax, education tax, taxes on goods and animals, fee for registration of birth and deaths, government grants. अब गवर्नमेंट की जो ग्रांट्स है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से जो मिलती है वो जो है मेजर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम है किसका, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का। नेक्स्ट लास्ट टॉपिक है एक्सप्रेसिंग ग्रीवेंसेस। इफ द पीपल आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन they can voice their grievances against the municipal bodies in many ways. To protest and hold dharna in one common way to make the government listen to people's demands. अब यदि आपकी कोई बात को मतलब आपको वहां पर जो है साफ सफाई नहीं है या कोई और भी कमी है, तो यदि कोई कमियां हैं तो उन्हें लोग कैसे दर्शाते हैं यदि म्युनिसिपल बॉडी काम नहीं करती है तो उनके अगेंस्ट प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, विरोध करते हैं या धरना प्रदर्शन करते हैं। नंबर एंड आल्सो देयर आर स्पेशल कोर्ट्स। अब उसके अलावा स्पेशल कोर्ट्स में जैसे लोक अदालत है, वेयर पीपल कैन फाइल केसेस, पीपल कैन आल्सो राइट टू द पब्लिक मीडिया लाइक न्यूज़पेपर रिगार्डिंग द प्रॉब्लम दे फेस। आल्सो द कंज्यूमर कोर्ट कैन बी अप्रोच्ड इन सच केसेस through the right to information RTI के तहत anybody can get information from the government on any issue. People can also sign a petition and send it to the municipal council. It is the obligation of the citizens to cooperate with the local self-government governing body so that they are able to perform their duties efficiently. That's all about the urban local self-government. So this is our last chapter of civics portion. So do reading and try to fill book work. Thank you. Have a nice day.